21, Henry Sawi-Yongan. Number 24, Acasillo Che Cuatara. Number 29, Diame Nietne. Head coach, David Reynolds. Number 8, Robert Lee Bolik. Number 9, John Paul Eram. Number 10, Cedric Manzano. Number 30, Jemiche Malonzo. Number 15, Francis Miche Bray.
Boy Eram jumping in the middle and he's up against Xaviero. The first touch of the ball belongs to Gilas. Bobby Ray Parks is there. Here's Boy off to Parks. Shot clock is coming down to 6 seconds. Bolling trying to make a decision. Step back, 3.
Yo, beauty. Actually, that's a basketball play. Di ba? Parang sumapit after the ball has been knocked out. Oh,
Bolling
nice block
denied entry that time.
by Dagny.
Yes. Here's Dagny driving hard. Dish off. Xaviero takes care of the basket. Bottled up. Can't shoot. Dish off. It won't stay inside. Philippines with another offensive rebound. Fighting inside. That's blocked. Second block of Indonesia.
Yeah. Well, those plays, well, it's a good attempt, but you could easily bought that out because you have a 14-second shot clock after the offensive ball.
Indonesia trying to grab the lead right now. Dish inside. That'll work. And that's the second basket of Derek Xaviero.
That's their strongest play when they use him as a screener on top and you can see him flash straight down to the basket. 3-point attempt. In and out para kay Bobby Ray.
And Indonesia in the lead here at the 7 and 30 mark. Here's Gratita dribbling around the neighborhood. Drives hard. Scores!
Nakita mo si Coach Singleton, tuwan-tuwa. After spotting the Philippines 3-0, they went on a 6-0 run to lead by 3 right now.
Here's Xaviero with 4 of the 6. Aggressive defense by Indonesia. 9 seconds on the shooting clock. Philippines.
There you go.
Into the box. Nice up fade. Short range shot. That'll work. 2 team fouls against Indonesia.
This is at the pick here.
Nice pocket pass. 3.
Oh!
Parang who was available, who's ready, di ba?
Anak ko.
Oh, big drive. That was big counted back.
Yeah, it's counted. This guy is really good. He was complaining about the knee, but syempre, you know, do or die na itong game na ito eh. No? Knockout game na ito eh. Laro na. Oh.
The outside of the Palaban ng Gilas dito, ha?
Yeah, certainly, because may dalawang key players yan.
Follow-up will work. And there is Derek scoring again.
12 puntos na ito eh.
Here's Contara. Contara grabs 2 defenders. Outside top of the key 3. Yeah!
Naku! 15 puntos na itong mama.
Here comes Bolek. Zapotera coming out. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Pesomali's in the game. Here's a top of Keels. Ravena knocks it down.
Well, kailangan katulad ka ni Ravena, matapang lumaban at this stage, you know. And you have to be aggressive on your defense. Wala naman tayo masyadong team foul eh. So, laban ng depensa yan.
6-point lead by the Indonesians. That won't work. Zapotera's under the basket. Shot clock has been reset. 3 minutes to go in the opening quarter. Zapotera pulls up. High looper, yes.
So the mismatch there.
Yonga looks inside. It's actually Daitsa now. Big spin to the basket. That will work. And the foul given against Stratter. Besumal. And company. Here's a drive. Open baseline. Rejected. Third block by Indonesia.
Yeah.
The inbound. Less than 50 seconds. Quick release from the wing. Yes, it's a 3. That time by Guantara. Yaksa driving hard.
Hard screen there.
Oh, hard talaga. Chalais drop pass inside. So that shot by Xaviero, who now has 17.
Yeah.
Still nothing. Follow-up will not work, and Indonesia takes the board away. Steal, however, it's now perpetuated, sent to the side, open attack.
Kailangan
Yes!
tumama ka naman. Kailangan niya.
Yonga, Sakutera, and Gontara. Left
Oh, huli.
That's taken away. Here's Malonzo leading the 3-on-4. Fakes it.
Yes.
Scores!
Nakatulog ka, Malonzo. Ikaw na nga umagaw. Ikaw pa rin ang nag-finish sa fast break.
Taking care of everything
Hinihingi na
inside.
lang ng bola eh. Kanina pa yung Boucher.
Ballage
Yes.
scores!
And we have come back all the way, from that 12-point deficit. It's down to 4.
The second quarter. Familiar move.
That's the offensive rebounding. Twice that he picked up. And the steal, remember, yet.
And here comes the outside attempt. It's a 3.
Oh. We have to score on this play. If not, we might have to be forced to call a timeout pag umiscore ulit sila without answering back.
Ball, good crossover. Open. Parks.
Yes! That's a big one. 3-point shot yan.
They scored only 4 points in this quarter. Parks. Ravenna, 3.
Yes! Nakita mo yung mga Pilipino sa bench, nag-aawa ka na. And all of a sudden, tight ball game para sa atin here. 31 all.
Coming from
12
12
down.
points down. Yagne sees daylight, misses badly. Rebound picked up by Indonesia. Second attempt. Yes, well done. That time from the outside by Guantana. 16 have been scored by Gilas here in a big tear in the second quarter.
Si Aram, by the way, is back.
Bolek escapes and scores.
Naghahanap ng foul, bumaba ka na. You gotta see some videos of the old Matthew right here. Now we're seeing nothing.
Bolek to the
Open
wing
shot.
he goes. Malonzo.
Yes!
Yay!
10 puntos. First guy in double figures for the Gilas Pilipinas
That's correct.
team. Yeah.
And enough to give us a 2-point lead after being down by as large as 12. Steal!
no.
Parks will break away and score!
No need to dunk. It's the same 2 points.
Watch this sequence as you enjoy going into the stunt. Bolek, crossover. Bolek sees daylight and a good fade.
Yeah!
Ball.
Ang ganda ng teamwork ng dalawang veterano na si Bolik at saka si Aram. No? We give him that. We give Bolik that. He had the feel.
Oh,
He had the feel and he was open. He knew he can get that shot anytime he wants against this team.
here's Saviero. Turn around. It will trickle in. And Matthew Wright looks inside, hesitates. Bolek, right. Nice fake.
Come on.
Goes all the way.
Yes,
and scores.
first 2 points. There's nobody bigger than him on our team, you know.
Might as well.
Kung nandiyan si Junmar,
Yeah.
okay lang yan, di ba?
Here's Diagne trying to create.
Yeah,
Got it. That's a good move.
We have to remember his left.
Bolek with 9 points thus far. Malonzo with 10. He's the leading scorer for Gilas here. Ravenna pops out. Ravenna has 8 points. Ravenna posting up. Ball away.
Yeah. Buntit na naagaw.
Eto, Ravenna. Libre sa tuktok ng Kiyon. Matthew Wright. 9 on the shot clock. Yes!
A good steal here.
You were saying, Dr. J?
Defense.
Here's Ravenna. Slows it down. Side steps. And
Yes,
will
sir.
score!
You know, this is when you use your head. You don't force the game quickly.
You don't need to rush it.
Yeah.
But Matthew has other ideas.
See that?
High up the glass. Follow
Yeah.
Manzano.
Okay, now it's going to move to the other side again. Now they go into a zone. They came out here. They want to do something else. They go to a zone.
Libre. Whoa, we're hitting everything.
Jump, patay ka kay Matthew Wright. Pag nag-zona ka dyan, ayan ang mapakita niya sa'yo. And maybe even a Kusumal, no, if they have to really go to that.
And the Philippines with a 21-12 third quarter. Really a great defensive
Oh,
effort.
somebody has to help out.
Diagne sends it to the side. Here's a wide open three.
Sagot rin. Well, everybody went to the strong side there. Nobody covered. And that was good ball movement by Indonesia. You got to
Correct.
give it them.
Correct.
You got to give them that.
Grahita with 7 points.
They'll continue to play zone unless we hit 2 or 3 more shots like that.
Boy turns. Scores!
Oh,
That's a
yeah.
shot.
Where
That's a
would
shot.
we be without Poi? Without the big man?
9 points. Jacket Boy. 10-point lead, biggest lead of the Philippines. Sa Potera. Grahita
Good
blocked. Matthew Wright tried to tap it over to Panopio. Here's Ravenna. Shakes free. Finds an opening. And
It will stay
the
with
young
us.
man, yeah.
Set the screen.
Ball in. Parks. Kabang!
Biglang pumutok ito. 0 sa first quarter. 5.
Malonzo top of the key. Launches a 3. No.
Better D.
Ravenna
Labas na.
thinking of going downstairs. This shot, last moment, yes!
Sano, 4 points. And of course, marami na red flag dyan.
Well,
Tayo nga eh. Panopio. Look away pa.
and Diagne now with 11 points. Malonzo swings left, goes right, is swatted. And here comes Indonesia with their second win. 4-on-2.
Matagal pa ito. 4 minutes pa ito. Game's not over.
Ravenna with 7 seconds on the shot clock. 30, spinning, and scoring. Malonzo.
Short. Go down.
Big drive to the basket. That could have been traveling.
It was traveling.
Big drive. That'll work for Yonga. No. Oh, look at that.
Good
Block.
block. Hindi pa tinira ni Bolik. Pero good thing, we're coming back on defense.
Tres.
No, we need a timeout.
Yaksa.
Saka we got into penalty early in this quarter.
Diagne. Blocked. Ball will be kept by Indonesia. Severo will try to muscle his way again.
Their help has to come.
Yes,
Their help,
he scores.
Their help didn't come.
He has 22.
Yeah.
Indonesia will have possession after this.